Are your windows and doors drafty, foggy, or just not performing like they used to? Are you thinking about replacing them but overwhelmed by all the options and costs of them? In this video, we'll break down when it's time to really replace your windows and doors, which window and door option makes the most sense for you, and how to avoid wasting money on the wrong ones. One sign a homeowner can look for to tell whether or not that it is time for them to replace their windows and doors is if you're seeing fogginess within the window panes, or maybe some draftiness through the windows, through the doors. That's a sign that you may want to have someone come out, take a look at them, see if it's something that can be repaired or if it's something that definitely needs to be replaced. So we can install all types of windows and doors. The main brand we like to use for windows and doors is ProVia. However, we install, like I said, all types. So if you're interested in something coming from a box store like a Lowe's, Home Depot, we can definitely still help you out with getting that installed. But the main brand we do like to use is ProVia, and that is just due to the quality of their material, the quality of their products. So in general, as far as cost goes with windows and doors, it all depends on the quality of the door or window that you choose and any sort of upgrades or different options in which you can customize these windows and doors. But on average for door replacement, if you're looking at replacing maybe your front door or front and back door, you can expect the cost to range anywhere from $2,000 to $4,000, just depending upon the cost of the material itself. Now, as far as the windows go, if you're wanting all the windows in your home replaced, you can expect the cost to be anywhere from $15,000 to $30,000, even upwards to $40,000, just depending upon how many windows you have in the home, what kind of window you want, and the different options that you can get or customize with those windows themselves. So if you're looking at just replacing one window in the home, you can expect the cost to be anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000. So as far as your warranties go on your windows and doors, a lot of manufacturers will offer just a standard limited lifetime warranty or a 20-year limited warranty on the windows. So just be cautious and make sure that you are in fact getting a manufacturer's warranty on top of a workmanship warranty by whatever contractor you choose to install both your windows and or doors. So some of the questions that a homeowner may want to ask their contractor who is doing the window and door replacement is, for windows, if you have wood trim on the exterior of the windows, you want to make sure to see whether or not that their bid includes rewrapping that window trim or that wood window trim to ensure that you get a new look, not just with the window itself, but with the whole curb appeal and the aesthetics of the exterior of that window. Another thing that you may want to ask is, with the door replacement, are they just changing out the door itself, or are they changing out the frame of the entire door? Chances are they are going to replace the entire frame, but you just want to make sure that you get those details down to make sure you're both on the same page. Another thing that you may want to ask is, are they going to be replacing any of the interior sills, the interior trim of the doors or of the windows? Because you can, in most cases, just replace the window itself without messing with any of the interior trim. As a homeowner, you may think all that is included in that bid when in fact it may not be, and it may just be including the window itself and any sort of wrapping or trim work on the exterior of the home. Replacing your windows and doors isn't just about the aesthetics or the curb appeal of the home. It helps the energy efficiency of the home, reducing energy bills. It also helps the safety of the home and offers long-term protection. Now you understand the key signs of failure, what really drives the cost of windows and doors, and how to make the smartest decision for you. If you want an honest quote or just need advice on what's worth replacing on your home, please give Hoel Roofing a call at 765-561-4023. No pressure, just helpful guidance.